I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your backbone and device so play is reliable. Plug in or charge until it's above 50% and update the backbone firmware when prompted so controls match games. Next, install Roblox from the App Store and open it once. Then enable Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad, press the backbone pairing button and watch the LED blink. Once paired, make sure the device appears in iOS game controller settings. This confirms input will reach Roblox. Once your backbone is connected, you need to configure Roblox to accept controller input. Open a Roblox title known to support controllers, start any level so settings become available. In the pause menu, go to Settings, then Controls, and toggle controller input on. Now test the left stick for movement and the right stick or buttons for camera and actions. Remap if the game allows it. Make small adjustments so jump, attack, and interact are comfortable. This prevents fumbling and fast encounters. To finish, refine sensitivity and dead zone settings so controls feel natural. Open the Backbone Companion app, adjust stick responsiveness, then return to Roblox and fine-tune camera sensitivity. If you hit lag, freeze, or buttons stop responding, restart Roblox first, then repair the backbone. Quitting background apps often clears input delays. Finally, make sure iOS, Roblox, and backbone firmware are up to date. This resolves most incompatibilities. If problems persist, test the controller in another game to isolate whether it's the game or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.